Hi, good afternoon. The grant proposal idea that I have in mind right now is a community-based tutoring program that would be offered through my church. This idea came about, um, our church previously had a tutoring program, like maybe 15 years ago, and it was something that was going pretty well, but I definitely see the need in our community to bring it back. So I wanted to invest in providing supports for our neighborhood children and also looking at connecting with the public school that is about 100 yards away from our church building. They're literally our neighbor. And I think that would be the main place to start is connecting with that public school and reaching out to the administration and identifying students that live within the neighborhood that would benefit a lot from this program. This program would be focused on remedial support for reading and for mathematics, also incorporating technology, just to be able to give students the opportunity to get a better understanding of using the different tools that are being provided in our schools, and also providing reading and math support that parents may not be able to provide for their children at home. This program would be continuously monitored with meeting with our church leaders, including the pastors, the elders, having a grant coordinator, a program manager, and also having administrators that are a part of the school, and also having a parent representative to kind of voice their concerns and be a part of the developmental process. This program, I would love to see it implemented in the spring because I believe that we should have a goal in mind as we're creating this program. And the idea would be to start in the spring of 2023 so that we can provide supports to students to prepare them for end of the year standardized testing. I would love to see a progress monitoring type record keeping to help us keep track of how the students are making progress and making gains. This will also help to support our teachers. I would love to see that we are in communication with the teachers to give like reports on how these students are making gains. And if the program continues to be successful, the idea is to bridge into the summer and provide that program as well for students who may need continuous support throughout the year. This is an ongoing, idea. So any thoughts of how I could go about this would be awesome. I thank you for your feedback and your recommendations, but this is something that is near and dear to me, especially for students who are new into the country. They might be from an immigrant family that may not know too much about the school system. So I think this would be a great asset and a great way to fill that need. So thank you so much and have a great evening.